Power BI course. Lesson 1. Welcome to the first lesson of our Power BI course. This is part of a series of videos that takes you from amateur to expert level in Power BI. What is Power BI? Power BI is a Microsoft Analytics platform that lets you turn data into interactive charts to track performance and discover insights. Whether you're in retail, marketing, finance, HR, or running your own business, Power BI can help you. For example, in retail sector, you can use Power BI to identify top-performing products, customer segmentation, monitor performance over time. In healthcare sector, you can use it to monitor hospital capacity and patient flow, analyze staff performance, improve patient care. By the end of this course, you'll not only know how to use Power BI, you'll know how to tell compelling stories with your data. So grab a coffee, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and let's start. The platform is made up of two parts, desktop and service, and they're automatically connected via email login. Let's start with desktop side. It is the local app you install on your computer. You can use it to connect to data sources, build visuals, and design your dashboards. Then there's service side. It is online cloud-based platform designed to share reports across people within your organization. Once report is ready, Publish button exists in the local version to automatically upload your report to service side. If you need to work offline again, Download button in the service side is used to download report offline. We will start by Power BI Desktop. First, download and install the desktop application. You will find download link in video description below. Once installed, you'll see the main interface. On the left-hand side, you can toggle between three views. Report view, it is the main area where you'll build report. It's also what end users interact with. Data view, it shows tables used in the report. Model view, it manages relationships between different tables. Let's check what exists in the report view. On the right side of the screen you'll see Filters pane, used to apply filters at the visual, page, or report level. Visualizations pane, different visuals that you can use in the report. Data pane, displays all available tables and fields. At the bottom of the screen, you can see different report pages and add new pages as needed. You can switch between desktop and mobile view to preview how report will appear on different devices. The upper toolbar and additional features are outside the scope of this introduction. We'll explore them in more detail during the hands-on section of the course. Services is the cloud-based side of Power BI. You can access it at www.powerbi.com. If you are signed in with the same email on both desktop and services, they automatically connect. Note that services can be only accessed with work or school email address, not a personal one like Gmail or Yahoo. Once signed in, you will see the main interface. Workspaces are used to create, manage, and publish reports to audience. Normally, different workspaces are used to group different reports together that are addressed to specific target group. From Workspace button, you can check available workspaces or create a new one. In the next video, you'll start creating your own Power BI report and begin exploring data sample. So go ahead and download the Power BI desktop, install it, and I'll see you in the next lesson.